Let's play a game of enterprise bargaining chess. Right now, this is the boss piece, and these are all the worker pieces. And the worker representative piece makes the first move, right? They go to the boss piece and they say, hey, we want to negotiate with you for a share of those profits. Now, the boss piece can make one of a number of moves. What they'll probably do is they'll outsource the jobs of all of these worker pieces. And then they'll create some wholly owned subsidiary companies and they will transfer all of these worker pieces across to there. And because they're not on the board anymore, these worker pieces can't participate. Now, what can these worker pieces do about that? Well, under the rules, there's nothing they can do, so they forfeit a turn. Now, the next move the boss piece can make is they can say, well, I'm prepared to negotiate with you, but only in much smaller groups, because that weakens the bargaining power of the remaining pieces. And what can they do about that? Well, again, under the rules, there's nothing they can do, so they forfeit a turn. But what if the rules were changed? What if they said that the worker pieces also had some say in how bargaining happened? And what if they said that these worker pieces could join that bargaining if they could show there was a good reason why they should? That is what the federal Labor government is proposing with their changes to multi-employer and single enterprise bargaining. So now we have a choice. We can either maintain the system as it is, which means the boss piece has the worker pieces checkmated before they even start, or we can change the rules so that the worker pieces have some power to negotiate for higher wages. What do you think's fair?